right over the top. But
You got him. Whoops, we're throwing stop sticks there.
All right, he's coming out onto Carrollwood. 335 will be behind him. Okay, we're on Turtle Mound, going northbound Turtle Mound.
northbound Turtle Mound.
Mike, I'm going to put it on my side.
Star 2 Melbourne Tower.
You want it where you are.
Hey, we're in a vehicle pursuit, destination unknown, just letting you know.
2 Boy. There we go, we got him on 6. I need a second unit, please.
Okay,
Northbound Turtle Mound coming up to Lake Washington.
Approaching Lake Washington. Unit on Lake Washington.
You got it?
I got him.
Now, all right, get that out of the way.
John, you got to move
Okay,
over.
we're through Lake Washington, northbound,
I can't
coming
see
up
him.
to Carlock.
9-2's right behind them. There are sticks back at Carrollwood in Turtle Mound.
Hey, Cooper, call it. Let's just verify this is signal 45 of an officer, correct?
That's affirmative.
Yes, 10-4.
Patrick,
All right, I'm going to try to pit him once we get up a little bit further here. Stand by.
Hey, we're in a vehicle pursuit. Right now we're heading northbound,
That's
destination.
confirmed he shot a deputy. Be careful. Use
Star
caution.
2,
Armed.
transition is approved, Pascal number 3043.
Northbound past the Oak.
Roger.
And Star 2, got some traffic just in your 1 o'clock, he's eastbound in the helicopter at 600 feet.
Star, Roger.
774 westbound.
And yeah, he's westbound, sorry about that, 700 feet. He's about 5 miles north of your position.
And 774 has the aircraft in sight. Boulevard.
774, Roger. And Star 2, the
92.
helicopter has you on site, sir.
All right, Eastbound Parkway. He's in the ditch. Flipped over.
Eastbound Parkway flipped.
62's with him.
Controls.
I'm on this.
32's with him.
Can't help you much here. I'm going to line up in an attic ground effect, okay?
All right.
No Melbourne units at code. No Melbourne units at code.
Hey, got to get somebody in that house over there, the house to the south over there. Get somebody up that driveway. Get someone up that driveway to the house to the south so you can get some position in case he gets out of the car going south.
Is the suspect fled on foot?
No, but if he does come out of that car, you can get right into that yard to the south there. Get some officers in that yard. There you go, right down that driveway. Run down that driveway. Keep going eastbound. You'll parallel where the car is.
You guys got multiple more units coming down Parkway. Stand by. 774 is clear to the west. Six cars coming. Stand by. Aircraft in sight, no factor.
Star 774, Roger, free exchange approved.
774.
Hey, it sounds like he's trying to get out of the car.
Three 3025 Turtle Mound.
Hey, it sounds like he's trying to kick out the windows or something. Hey, Zeus, watch crossfire.
You got officers in the backyard to the south. Remember that.
They have officers in the south. Watch for crossfire. Officer on the south side. Watch crossfire back up.
Cars, back it down, Melbourne units, back it down.
Victor Sector 30, all Melbourne units, back it down. If you're not on scene, everyone just back it down. We got an entry team going in.
Radio 1.
Radio 1. Radio 1.
Got a key up from you, sir.
Disregard. Kleberg, get a flashbang out of my trunk. 129 right behind you. Kleberg, get a flashbang out of my trunk. Right behind you. 129 on the windshield.
Hey, K9's less than 5 minutes out.
Lake Washington Road needs to be shut down northbound, no civilians.
248, where were they?
Lake Washington and Turtle Mound shut down northbound, no civilians.
Deadpool.
You got your band coming, stand by. And K9's here also. Randy Young.
It's really windy. I'm doing my best for you.
You're doing a real good job.
Parkway west of Turtle Mound needs to be shut down as well, farther west of where you guys are now. Jason, take your civilian and go farther north. Shut it down farther north.
Patrick Air Force Base, helicopter 74557.
Helicopter 74557, Patrick.
Any more units up there for traffic?
We are
South Parkway and Turtle Mound. You can get up there and shut it down.
requesting transition.
Parkway and Turtle Mound and Parkway halfway down.
Helicopter 74557.
We need cars turned off at our subdivision.
Ident 74557.
All right, he's playing possum in the car. He's just raising his hands, but he's not coming out with command.
To the west.
Helicopter 74557, observed 8 miles.
Radio 1, Alpha 100. Hey, I'm going to use a pod to break this window. I'm going to try to break the passenger side window of one of these pavers.
557, thank you.
335, hold on, let me get a rifle over here on the other side to you. Hey, any of our guys have a shield? SO guys, anybody have a shield? We got a shield. Hey, Schaefer, I have one. It's old school, though, from 90s. Get what you got. Listen, I'm going to go ahead and take this back window out with this paver. It's not a signal 45 when I put that through there. 894, we've got a good shield. We're coming around with it. Trevor, hold on. Let's get the shield over here. Come around the other side.
Do you need gas to deploy in that vehicle?
70 west or like transition.
Possibly.
For 800.
County Lima 3, Albany 51.
Sharp 2, transition is approved. Apache got number 304.
35. We're going to bring a shield and a flashbang over there. Just stand by.
All
right, hey, move your detail, put like 2 out by the patrol cars on the north side of the road, then bring everybody else around this side.
What do you want to do?
They're serving no purpose on the other side of that car. It's just a bad crossfire.
All right, Jimbo, burn clear. Everybody out from around that car, please. 172. Go ahead. That car you're on, clear everybody out from around that, please.
894, where do you want the shield? I'm coming up.
Just for 1043 from where I'm at, I'm in cover behind a tree, and I'm about 15 feet from the windshield. I've got a clear view of him. He's looking right at me, so I've got a good position here.
Okay, we got more SO shields coming up too.
Temple.
Also, Greg Purdon on scene has gas if you need it. Yeah, we're going to take the windows and then somebody bring up the gas up the driveway on the house on the south side of this. We'll move that over to next.
County Lima 3, I have shotgun shells or gas and barricade rounds on 51.
Okay, I don't have a total look at his whole body, but from what I see, I don't see any injuries, and he's just moving around in the car and waving his empty hands at me. But he's not making any attempt to get up and get out of the car.
Looks like I'll be going into Melbourne to a space along I-95.
Sharp 2, Roger. You got the sheriff helicopter inside down there, 400 feet?
Negative, sir. How far in front of me is he?
Can we confirm how many we have in the vehicle?
In your 12 class.
Okay, thanks, sir. Yeah.
All we see is one black male. I don't know where the white female that was called in earlier is. She may be in the car, she might not be. I don't see her.
2, Sharp 2, thanks to you.
It's a white SUV with dark tinted windows, half submerged, so it's really hard to get a good look at everything.
All right, hey everybody, 1023, Trevor's about to throw the block through the back window, so when you hear the noise, it's not going to be shots, it's not going to be shots.
10-4. At this time, subject has his empty hands up against the windshield, he's looking right at me.
Hendricks, you see any movement?
Hey Hendricks, what do you do when that window or that block went through?
He jumped and he went back to, okay, his head's coming out of the hole in the window.
Where's it coming out, the front or the back, John?
Can't tell. The tree's in the way. Try to give you a little better position.
I'm all right.
One coming up, one coming up.
Copy, one coming up.
Melbourne's in the middle of taking him down right now. Still covering the car.
One detained so far, one detained so far.
They got
Copy, one
they
detained
got him
so
from
far.
the other side, that's why.
Cover the car.
Hey, let's get a patrol car up this driveway and get him out of here.
Gates locked, we can't.
He's advising there's one more female 1012 in the car.
I can't see nothing like that.
No, look in the backyard here, up the driveway. They can take him out this way.
All right, white female coming up out of the car now.
White female coming up.
You got him now?
No, where they at?
They're in that driveway, coming out of the driveway.
What driveway?
That's the last I saw him. I can't see it all, so.
All right.
might be able to get him now.
Hang on, I got him. Now he's under that. Go forward.
All right, we're going to break the back window. Put the dog in through there.
That work?
Yeah. I can't zoom in, this camera shakes. See?
Patrick Tower, helicopter 74557. Request frequency change for Melbourne.
Helicopter 74557, exchange approved.
Thank you.
Hey, can we get somebody go over to the fire truck and get a Halligan tool and bring it up? I got it. 335 got it. It's on the way. It's on the way. And we're stand by on the dog. Once we get another port in this vehicle, we'll go ahead and do that.
Orbit.
Yeah. I'm going to leave the recorder on or turn it off?
Yeah, leave it on. Let's get the scene. We're going to have to go to where the deputy was been, the original crime scene. I'd like to get some video of that too while we're up.
Active 22 Melbourne, blackmail secure and back of 82's car.
Copy, blackmail secure in 82's car.
Melbourne, the female we have is reporting a seizure.
Copy, is it secure for fire rescue?
There's gates up front, so we can't get the gates open. If someone can call in.
3005 is the address.
I'm going to turn the recorder off.
Okay.
Melbourne,
Recorder coming off.
rescue. Beginning transfer, GB1.
Tap 1. Sky 13, 12 miles northwest of Melbourne. Heading southeast, 800.
Tap 4, thank you.
Curtis at 711, John Rose and O'Galley. Sky 61.
Available for calls.
Did you make it there?
Yeah, sure did.
Okay, cool.
One over to command post.
Charlie Golf, Mike Oscar Tango's on the mess.
That's Mike Oscar Tango, contact Orlando, departure.
Contact Orlando Golf, Mike Oscar Tango.
Yeah, I'm holding at signal 32, 171 with 1097 on it. I don't have any type of comment, reference, closure. I believe we just preempted off of it for the priority call. You can go by and check 1025 with a Robert Harness. 23 just one.
273, 271, give me a call on myself. Reference that.
All right, I think I'm good here.
My recorder's coming off.
70.
Mike thought he saw some light tire tracks along that fence over there going to the west out of that driveway over here.
115, 112.
Okay.
112.
That's all we know. That's where the Melbourne officer saw it last.
10-4.
So we don't know how he got where he did from there.
Now answer 11. Good.
National, make sure you got the call at English Park.
I am, and we're actually both going to 97 now.
Down.
Supervisor's route.
All right.
405 Bravo's out. And
Street that he was picked up on is right over there, the cul-de-sac. When we saw the car, it was about where that patrol car is, right there. That's where we saw it at. We don't know where it came out of. We just caught it coming out onto the street there, just going eastbound on that street.
Can you ask 405 Bravo to give me a call myself?
And then from there it exited the neighborhood towards the south over there.
405 Bravo.
All right, my recorder's coming off.